Suggestion none. In a stunning twist, President Joe Biden has officially ended his bid for re-election in 2024, leaving many in shock. At 81, Biden faced mounting concerns about his age and capability to lead, which have been a topic of debate for months. This surprise decision has sent ripples through both parties, causing a flurry of reactions and speculations. Democrats, grateful for his service, are now scrambling to find a new candidate who can unite the party and lead them to victory. Vice President Kamala Harris, endorsed by Biden, emerges as a potential frontrunner, gaining significant attention. On the flip side, Republicans are seizing this moment to criticize Biden and even call for his immediate resignation, intensifying the political drama. With Biden's exit, the 2024 presidential race is now wide open and filled with uncertainty, making it anyone's game. The Democratic Party must navigate a complex process to find a new nominee, facing legal and logistical challenges ahead, which won't be easy. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on this developing story, which is evolving rapidly. The next few months will be crucial in shaping the future of the Democratic Party and the outcome of the 2024 election, with many twists expected. Don't miss any updates. Subscribe now.